Oh yeah, we're ready to play ping pong. Are you ready? Yeah, ready, Quincy Napoles. You're sure you're gonna lose this one? Watch this. I'll just leave the lights on. Normally I can't play this game because of my fake controller, but now I can. Yes! Yan talaga, kahit gawin lang, matalo ka na. Last time I do not know how to beat this game, but now I already know the technique. What the fuck? Tapang mo talaga! Last time I do not know how to beat this game, but now it's so easy for me. Yes! Because I just applied from Wii Sports. That's the technique. I have to bring to the side. Tapos yun nasa kanan. Sayang. Sana dapat tapang talaga yung gamit ko. Sayang. Sana dapat tapang talaga yung gamit ko. Sayang. May chance ako. Gago. Sana dapat yun. Kanan, kanan, kanan. Bakit nasa kaliwa? Bakit nasa kaliwa? Kanan dapat. Sayang. Sana dapat strong yun eh. Sayang. Yes! 3 puntos na! Yes! 4! Hanep! Mabili Gaspi kung ito... Hoy, swabe! You're there! Kaya lang na-miss mo yung bola. Hanep talaga. At dyan na naman! Nag-score na naman ako! Mga bobo kayo! Mga bobo ka! Yes! 7! Hanep! Wala na yan, Mabili Gaspi, kaya lang wala pa kang nangyari sa'yo. Hanep talaga. Dahil dyan may ay, nako. Yan. Sayang! Yan! Sayang! Dito! Kanan! Yes! 9! Sampo! Isa na lang! It's a juice! Kaya ko to! Para panalo na ako! Kyle! Kinsey! Sana matalo ka na! Hay nako! Malas na naman! Di ba, I still have a chance to win. Uy, gago! Yes! Tapang! Whew! Yaha! Nyaw! Why you lose? Okay lang yan, Hans. There's always a next time we play, ha?